Welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at the comments. Let's go! Player says, I feel like there's gonna be a shakeout in the market, like whole top 50 is gonna change soon. So you might be right about that most coins are going to crumble. So okay, in our watch list, there is a whole long list of long setups and also another long list of short setups. At the moment, things are still bullish. So our focus is still on the long setups, the bullish setups. So yeah, you could be right though, but it'll be somewhere down the road, in my opinion. And trading in the world of crypto is getting harder, as in you need to pick the right narratives. Like for example, right now it's the meme coins that are rising, not the coins with utility, not the NFT coins or the play to earn coins or the DeFi coins or the exchange coins. No, it's meme coins. So yeah, you gotta have a sharp eye, to look at the next narrative that's going to come. Mustang Power says, hi Skinny, can you please look at SHDW coin? There is nothing going on. Hoshi says, hello, can you update Tezos? Thank you. Okay, so for Tezos, we are still in a gigantic squeeze. We have been in a gigantic squeeze since the very beginning, right? Since 2017 until 2024, we've been in a gigantic squeeze for 2,300 days. 2,300 days. It's like, yo, bro. When is the breakout gonna come? We don't know. Could it be another year down the road? June 2024? Yeah, sure, of course. Any guarantees that we're gonna start breaking out from now? No. Right. Even the conditions aren't really looking that good. Number one, we are touching the skinny pink line, which is not the kind of move that we want to see. Sure, this could very well already be the bottom, and sure, it could be rising higher from now, but I don't see consolidation. Not at the moment, right? If Tezos does something like this, right? Hey, great. That's great. This is great. Right? If we did something like this, something that we can see, right? Something that we can trade. But as of now, no. Even if I were to go in here, I'm going in blind. There's no edge for me. So if you want to be profitable, you must have an edge. And at the moment, there is no edge on Tezos. Dylan didn't say, skinny, great video. Thanks for the TA. Are you going to spill some secret sauce Friday? Leo says, catfish is the secret sauce. So yes, sir, last week you talked about catfish, or 2 weeks ago, I think. And catfish is in a beautiful squeeze, right? Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. High lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows. And remember, like I said in the beginning, meme coins is the hot category right now. So there could be something for catfish. But at the same time, catfish could still drop a little bit lower, right? There could be some whale shenanigans, but as long as we fluctuate within the resistance and support, okay, let me tell you what I mean. Okay, let's say, for example, we drop lower, right? We clear these lows, right? And we may even clear these lows before coming back up. It's absolutely possible, right? Before we head higher. For sure. Of course, at the same time, best case scenario is we just start busting off from here, right? Best case scenario, but rarely do you get best case scenario. It could happen, but you need to open up to the possibility that things could still drop a little bit lower first before we see any sort of a reversal. And of course, at the same time, things can always go wrong. It can just drop to zero, for sure. But I doubt it. I think more likely than not, the whales are already in accumulation and they're preparing for a breakout. More likely than not, right? So again, trading is super risky, and this is just how it works. When it's risky, there's an opportunity. When there's no more risk, there's no more opportunity. So hopefully catfish starts moving the way we expect it to. So yes, sir, it's a secret sauce. Leo is correct. Borana says, Ali, can you talk about... Okay, you talk about Ali, but the chart is looking even more great now. Really? I don't think so. Okay, let's say, for example, we just go to Ali and then USDT. Let's look at it on Gate. So if you look at Ali, right? Okay, no, we don't see it here. So we go to Ali, we look at it on DEX tools, we go to 2 years ago, and you can see we were actually anticipating Ali to complete a very nice wave E, but we didn't, really get it, right? we've been expecting a squeeze. Okay, what Ali did was came down for an A, up for a B, down for a C, up for a D. We were expecting this, right? But Ali got slapped all the way back down here. So, hey, bro. but of course, at the same time, we're gonna assume that okay, this low, right? Or this low, okay, the very, very, very low. This absolute high of the resistance and absolute low of the supports, as long as it holds, it is still a valid accumulation range, right? We could still clear these lows, and eventually maybe somewhere down the line we come back up. Sure, of course, still accumulation, still a valid squeeze. Why? Because it's still lower highs and higher. Let's say we drop to here, lows, lower highs and higher lows. So again, still no guarantees that this is the very low for Ali. So yeah, but this is too fast for me, right? So we would love it if we could just stay a little bit here before heading higher for Ali. But yeah, that's Ali for you. DC, maybe it will really fly. Okay, let's look at DC. GC USDT. If you look at DC, right? Okay, this is what I mean. Okay, let me just show you. Very good example, right? Okay, here. If you look at DC, right? Of course, hindsight is 2020. If you looked at DC over here, I mean, if I saw DC, I was like, holy shit, this is an opportunity, right? Very, very nice squeeze. Low highs, low highs, low highs, low highs. High lows, high lows, high lows, high lows. Holy shit, DC is gonna break. Yes, no. Again, we open to the possibility of things going right and wrong as well. So, yeah, of course, over time, DC didn't behave the way we expect it to, right? And what happened to DC? DC dropped lower. You see that? I think this was a hack or something. There was a hack on Dogechain. So it messed up Dogechain's price. But anyway, so this is Dogechain for you. Again, same thing, right? As long as the resistance and the support line holds, and if we fluctuate around this area, we are still considered to be in an accumulation. The only thing is, if we had broken out from here, right, this would have been a very nice 200-day accumulation before the breakout came in, right? But now is a 640 days accumulation. It has become 3 times longer. So there you are, bro, this is 2 years, bro. So yeah, still valid accumulation, yes. Still valid squeeze, yes. Could we still see a breakout? Yes. I mean, of course, things can always still go wrong as well, right? But this is still in accumulation. And always remember that the longer it is, the accumulation, the higher it is, the rise. So yeah, this is a plus point. Anyway, Dogechain is dependent upon Dogecoin. As long as Dogecoin does not collapse, and if Dogecoin just goes bananas, potentially it could affect Dogechain as well. So there could be a Dogecoin ecosystem narrative in the future, right? So yeah, we're just open to that possibility. Anyway, for Dogechain at the moment, I don't see anything, so I'm not gonna be. Yeah, I just don't think there's anything. So if anything, my advice is just move on. Audius, okay, Audius, there could be something. Audio USDT, right? Audio is in an accumulation. Same thing, right? Lower highs, higher lows. We're gonna cut through the week. Lower highs and higher lows, right? So I can't really, call this an ABCD because it's not an ABCD. It's an accumulation, and there should be a breakout so that eventually, but no guarantees at all, right? Yes, it's in accumulation. Yes, it could break out, but I say that we'll probably get some sort of a another maybe squeeze over here would be great, right? But again, we're not entirely sure, right? We could still come back all the way down. You could see that every time we rise up, we get pulled down. Up, get pulled down again. Even if you were to go up, I suspect we could get pulled down again, right? Hopefully we don't get pulled down, right? Hopefully we establish a very clear resistance over here, right, for breaking. Best case scenario, will we get that? We don't know. So we need to be patient and we need to wait for the information to come to us, right? And it takes time for the information to unfold. Leo says, higher targets for catfish, since squeezing longer. Could be. Nice call. How about now? Swift, I've already said to move on, right? Didn't I say move on? So if you look at Swift, right, we called this, I don't know, that was days ago, right? When we were looking through the meme coins on Solana, and we actually caught Swift How awesome was that? And yeah, for Swift, we were saying, hey, boys and girls, this is a squeeze. What happened? Breakout. Ta-da! And we hit targets. We had a target for Swift at 0.008, right? If I'm not mistaken. We had a target over here. That's it. When it's time to go, we go. And we do not look back anymore for Swift. Let me see where's the comment. Hey, yeah, bro. Where is this? Pixel was 2 days ago. Nothing. There's nothing for Swift at the moment. If Swift does something like this, right? Then it's a different story. But it's not, see. Swift could still form mountains over here and head lower. If we form valleys, then yes, more likely than not, there could be a reversal back towards the upside. But as it stands, we still don't have enough information for Swift yet. So yeah, again, imagine if you held on and you expected much more from Swift Solana Summer. Yeah, you would have been in trouble. So, you know, it's already down 95%. 95%. So yeah, that's it. We just move on. We move on, boys and girls. We move on. You only did the top 9. You missed number 10. If you look very carefully, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I only did 7 coins, right? So top 10 means 10 and above, right? Cardano, Dogecoin, XRP, Solana, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin. 7 coins. Well, I won't do. I mean, you can't do TA on stablecoin. This is staked Ethereum. And again, another stable coin. No, right? Where are we? Hey, yo, bro, why does it keep going back up? Where is this? What do you think of Meta Hero? It's nothing. Is SDAO unaffected by the merger? Probably. Elevation! 60 cents is less than the price. I bought in. Bargain people don't understand. Good luck to you. How heavy are your bags? Where's this? Hey, yo, bro, why does it keep going back up? Emerald says, I think it's a good price to start adding Siacoin to the bags. Good. Emerald has been bringing up Emerald has been paying attention to all the videos that we put out. Anyway, for Siacoin, okay, wait, let me just look at it on Kraken. So if you look at Siacoin, right, it's in a huge accumulation, huge, and we're anticipating this to be a wave E. But we are right on top of the skinny pink line. We are right on top of it. You see this? Mountains, drop down. What does this look like to you? Mountains too, right? Mountains. Collapse. Right, and if we were to collapse, it's going to be a very fast one. And we will probably go under the skinny pink line, which is not good. Will this happen? I don't know. It's not looking good. I mean, of course, out of nowhere, we can just start reversing back up. For sure. But this doesn't look good to me. This looks like mountains to me. And I know that we're above the skinny pink line. Sure, the bias is still bullish, but the chart pattern is developing bearishly. I would love it if we could just suddenly out of nowhere start rising back up, right? To complete the wave E, the gigantic wave E, before we see a big breakout for Siacoin. But I suspect we're coming back down under the skinny pink line. So I would preach caution for Siacoin. Yes, the big chart pattern looks good. Yes, the higher time frames are awesome. But again, we could still come back down, clear and sweep all of these lows, and prolong the accumulation for another year or two until the next halving. Yeah, so you want to be careful about this. Right. Anyway, Larry says, I hope 20x it will be. Good luck to you. Moon Swift is going to be the biggest project of the summer. Where's this? Chris, 6 days ago. Again, going back to Swift. 6 days ago, you would have been in trouble. This is where we were 6 days ago. Right. Chris would have been trapped here if you were here, right? Now, where are we? We're down 78%. 78%. So that's why it's very important, ladies and gentlemen, to take profits when it's time to take profits and move on. Do not look back, because that is not where we are going. We are moving forward, and there will always be plenty of opportunities in the market, right? It's like breaking up with your ex. You do not go back to your ex. You broke up for a reason. Sometimes you might forget the reason why you broke up in the first place, but you might have feelings of like you miss her, and you might have this urge to text her that you miss her or something like that. And yeah, don't do that. Just move on. No matter how difficult it is, grit your teeth, slap yourself, punch your balls. Do not go back. Move forward. There are plenty of fish in the sea. You are in crypto. You will more likely than not have more money compared to others, right? More opportunities to make money. Doesn't mean you're gonna have, but more opportunity to make money. And with money, you will have the freedom to go anywhere you want. And yeah, again, I would say just move on. Don't look back. Don't go back. Just move on, right? Once the trade is over, we just move on. If opportunity presents itself again, great. We'll take a look at it. But once it's over, just move on. It's like going into the cinema to watch a movie. Once the movie ends and you exit the cinema, that's it. You move on. You don't, you just move on. So, there you go. And the fairness. Artinek! I almost didn't realize this was a video from Skinny given the time. Yes, sir. Yes, correct. I use AI. I've been experimenting with AI, so this is AI. Bliss says, Kibo Kibo! Emerald says, hey, thank you, Skinny. Appreciate you seeing my comment. Yes, sir. I read everything. Tina says, LDO, Dow Eyes. Can you break through key reasons? I don't know. Hello is fat in accumulation. No, it is not. All right, boys and girls. Hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. And again, keep an eye out on Catfish, the secret sauce. Some things, over time, you would probably get more of an idea whether if things are going to turn out the way we expect it to or not. But yeah, Catfish is looking really primed for a breakout. If it breaks out, it will break out pretty soon. If not, it will just drag its feet for another few more weeks or even months. So keep an eye out on Catfish. All right, hope you guys have a great weekend. See you in the next one. And if you have yet to check out the top 40, go check it out now. See you. Ta-ta.